Hey guys, it's Miss Rector here, just giving you a little rundown of what I expect you to do in this assignment. So, you just hopefully watch the Ed puzzle about scientific method, and you know it is a logical way to solve a problem or answer a question. You're going to go to your Google Classroom. There's going to be this Google slide um, presentation. It will make a copy for you, and you're going to fill it out. So, you put your name there, of course. Then this is just to show you again the scientific method is not a linear process. We are constantly coming up with hypotheses, testing them, drawing conclusions. Do they support your hypotheses? Yes, no. Maybe we need a new hypotheses and new experiments. So let's try with a problem. So I want you to come up with a question. It could be anything that in your life, really, school appropriate. So let's say my question was, my car won't start. What's wrong with my car? I leave school today. I go out there, put the key in the ignition, doesn't start. My car won't start. So there's my question. Research. So I'm going to look around. What do I know about that can help me solve this problem? I know I had gas in the car. I just filled it up. I and taking in some observations here and seeing that the lights are acting kind of weird. It's not, it doesn't seem to have the power, the way it sounds when I try to turn the key. All that stuff is leading me to a hypothesis. So my hypothesis might be my battery's dead. I think my battery's dead. So is that testable? Yeah, I can test that. There's lots of ways I can test it. So what am I going to do to test it? Well, I could take the battery out. What am I going to do? I need what materials, what procedure. So, probably the easiest way here is if I can catch somebody else with another car and a battery, I can use my jumper cables and we can try to jump my battery. So, that'll be my first test, right? If the results of that are that my car now starts, then I might draw the conclusion that the battery was dead. Maybe I left on a light or something. Now, that conclusion may or may not be correct. So let's say I go home and make sure all the lights in the car are off because I'm super paranoid now. Tomorrow morning, I go to start the car, it doesn't start again. Maybe it's not the battery. Maybe it's the alternator, right? So I might have a new hypothesis at that point and new tests. So that's just running you through the process. I want you to come up with your own question, research. What's your hypothesis? How are you going to test it? And what are your results and your conclusions? So this could be something you actually are going to do in your house, or it could be a hypothetical, kind of like my car not starting. Good luck. Bye.